Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Equipson Light Shark lighting control system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for two different reasons really. The first one is troubleshooting. If this lighting control system keeps crashing or it is not connecting or it's not following protocol or the buttons are not responding, or if it's frozen, any kind of troubleshooting needs like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Just keep in mind, once you do this, you'll have to set everything back up because it will be restored to its factory default settings. Which brings me to the second reason you might want to do it. If you're trying to set this lighting control system up in a new place, or you just want to clear everything out and start anew with it, we can go ahead and do that. We're going to do this with a series of button pushes, or not so much a series, but a simultaneous button pushes. We're going to push three different buttons. We're going to find the one button over here, and then we're also going to find the play button and the pause button. And we're going to press and hold those three buttons for several seconds, and that will initiate a full factory reset.